are a company from Brazil and we want to bring the system from Brazil to show our process and our system to the world.
We have had a fantastic time at FESPA here today. It's been really enjoyable all week. The questions we're getting from people, the interest has been massive.
FESPA is really a great organization because they put the red thread across all different steps in the manufacturing process. They take care that each process is really represented.
The specifics of the sports industry was of particular interest. I loved the speakers I saw. I was just exposed to a whole bunch of new ideas.
I think it's really good to have a space to connect with all the people that are working in this field.
Very deep knowledge you can get here. You have to talk with all the industry experts here. I think you have here everything in one place.
Thank you everybody. What an incredible week we have had here in Amsterdam for Sportswear Pro. Thank you to everybody who has exhibited at the show, everybody who's visited the show from all across the world. We've really had an incredible week here.